Todd.
What is he doing?
Todd.
Oh wait, I gotta say, oh my god, what is he doing? Alright, okay, go ahead.
No, that's fine. I'm still in character.
Okay.
So, come on.
Oh my god. What is he doing? It's the third interception today. This is crazy.
Do you smell something? Todd, do you smell something?
I smell my team sucking. That's what I smell. Oh, absolutely ridiculous.
I wonder.
These guys suck. She's crazy.
Okay, okay.